Hi, my name is Lynn with WTI. I do a lot of drawing and I enjoy having really good quality colored pencils. As you can see, I chose several colors right away and I knew what to pick to work on a drawing of two birds on my thank you note. And there's a good variety of colors, 180 pencils. This is wonderful. I have everything I need to do any artwork that I want to do. I love drawing birds and of course many other things. It gives me a great avenue for my creativity using these oily pencils. These colored pencils create a professional work of art. Each of the pencils has a descriptive name on it, which is very handy to be able to find the colors I want to use. This is a panorama view of most of the colors in the set. And these oily pencils give a soft sheen to the drawings and a professional look. I am really happy with the result of these oily pencil crayons for my artwork. And that's my point of view.